Good morning, everyone. My name is Manikant Kumar, a student of BCA AQ, Batch 1, 3rd Sem. Today I am going to demonstrate a minor project on Java applet. First of all, thank you, Mr. Upadhyay, sir, for giving this opportunity. First of all, discuss some method of graphic class for better understanding. First, draw a string. This is used to draw the string on the applet and fill rack. This is used to draw a rectangle filled with a default color, which is white, and set color. This is used to set the graphic with a specific color or default color. And fourth is fill oval. It is used to draw a oval shape and fill it with default color white. And last is set font. It is used to set the font on graphic. Let's demonstrate the program. Here is my program. First of all, import the java.awt. It importing the graphic class, and second is import the applet package, which is used to applet classes. Here is create the animation class with extends applet class. With use the method of applet class. Here first we declare image picture 1 and picture 2. This is object of the image class, and initialize it in int method with the get image, which is the put the value of get document, which is byte.jpeg, and second is picture 1 get the value which is take the value byte1.jpeg. First, there is two loop. First is the animation goes to left to right, and second loop is using for graphic goes to right to left. Now let's animation. Here see, firstly go left to right and then right to left. Any question you have?
If anybody has any question.
Manikant, my question would be to use that if we want to continue this animation forever, what will be the how can we do this?
You may it is repeatedly continue. Okay, where you in this program we call the repaint method. Here see, it is continuously running. Now close this. Thank you to all.
Anybody else having any question? Yeah, one more question. Open your application, running application.
Go to the application. Program. Program or output?
No, just program.
Let me ask the question. Yeah.
In the for loop, you have used the draw image method, and it has a parameter which is this keyword. Can you tell me what is the purpose of this keyword?
This keyword is related to the current class, which it means draw image in parameter. This is used to the reference to the animation class, object of animation class.
What is the work of this keyword here?
Simply work is the draw image is the which work actually refer to the object of animation class. But means it show the here parameter picture I and image draw image is clear. Drawing the
Anybody else who can create it, share it?
Yes, you are saying the right, Mani. I'll clear it. This keyword is used to assign the picture variable which is created in the init, initialized in the init method. So this keyword is used to assign the picture to the current animation class, which is, and here in the picture we use the get document base, which is used that where is in the same file where the Java program is residing. In the same file, the picture, the bike.jpg is residing, and to use that, we use this keyword so that the in the animation class picture is using the same image which are residing in the same document. So for this purpose, we use this in the first for loop and also in the second for loop.
Okay, anybody else? So, Manikant, it was a nice minor project which you have created for the bike application. Thank you very much.